In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image a link in Google Docs, whether you're preparing a dynamic presentation or simply looking to add a more interactive element to your documents. Transforming an image into a clickable link can be incredibly useful. It's a great way to streamline your document, making navigation easy and efficient for anyone who reads it. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open the Google Docs document where you'd like to insert your image. Once you have your document ready, look towards the top menu of your Google Docs interface. You're going to see an option labeled Insert. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, hover over Image. You'll find several options to choose an image from, such as uploading from your computer, searching the web, or using a URL link. Make your choice depending on where your image is located. Inserting the image will bring it right into your document at the position where your cursor was blinking. Now that your image is part of the document, it's time to select it. Simply click on the image once with your mouse. If selected correctly, you'll notice a blue outline wrapping around the edges of the image. This outline indicates that the image is active and ready for further editing or modifications. With the image now selected, our next move takes us into hyperlinking territory, which, although it sounds technical, is actually very straightforward. Hover your cursor back to the top menu of your Google Docs where you initially clicked Insert. This time, look for an icon that resembles a chain link or simply a link option. Go ahead and click on that, and a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter a URL. Here's where you add the final touch. You'll enter the URL link that you want the image to direct to. This can be any website or online resource. Type in the complete URL, ensuring that there are no spaces or errors. Once you've entered the correct address, click Apply to save the link. Your image is now a clickable link. As a tip, you can always test the link by clicking on the image in the document, which should now open up in a web browser and take you directly to the address location. And there you have it. You've successfully turned an image within Google Docs into an interactive link. This simple yet powerful feature is perfect for keeping your documents engaging and efficiently organized. You can now use this method to enhance your documents by integrating additional resources, information, or external content, all from a single image click. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this technique as useful as I do.